So today I have a $600 gaming PC that's capable of ray tracing using the RTX 2060, so that leaves about $250 in budget to make an entire PC around the GPU. This is how I did it. Hey, what's up guys? My name is JD from JDTechGear, and today I will be your PC building consultant for a $600 PC. Now this is in collaboration with a couple other tech YouTubers, so make sure you guys check out them as well. So I'm going to go over the parts list, and it's going to be very brief. I'm going to have the prices up on the screen for you guys, and then we're going to get into the build video and then the benchmark so you can see what we were capable of. And I also want to thank NVIDIA for sending out their RTX 2060 to work with this. This has been a lot of fun to see what kind of RTX capabilities we can get out of a $250 machine with an RTX 2060. And there's only a couple of games that actually support ray tracing at the time of benchmarking the video. At the release of this video, I think there's one or two more. I should also mention that all the rules and guidelines are going to be in the description below, so if you guys want to check that out, that's there. The two rules I do want to get off is saying that everything's going to be bought online. We also included shipping into the total price. So getting into the parts list, we have the AMD FX 8350, which is an 8-core processor that runs at a base clock of 4 GHz, and it also comes with a CPU cooler, so I didn't have to pay for that, so that's also nice. And we're going to seat that processor in the AMD 760 AM3 Plus Micro ATX motherboard. And I bought two kits of 8 gigs of RAM. Both were 2x4 kits, and they run about 1600 megahertz. They're DDR3. There's no flashy heat sinks or anything like that on them. They're fairly straightforward. And then for storage, we need to make sure that we had all the games fitting on there. You couldn't just slap in some external hard drive and count it as part of the competition. No, all the games had to be stored locally on this machine. So I have a 500 gigabyte used Western Digital Blue drive. And then on the operating system, I used a brand new ADATA 120 gigabyte SSD. It's nice just to have the OS on an SSD and have all your programs and applications, or at least larger files and games, on the hard drive. And then for a power supply, I just bought an EVGA 600 watt power supply off of EVGA's B-Stock website. And then lastly, a micro ATX Rosewell case that was on sale at the time and has a little window but no front mesh, but at least has a fan. It's actually got two fans, and it's got a little 80mm fan in the back. It's really cute and it's kind of loud, so yeah, there's that. And I also had to buy a fan splitter to connect both fans to the one fan header that was on the motherboard, so that's also included in the price, but I still had a couple bucks left over in the budget. But overall, we're under $250. And now here's the build video, and lastly we'll get into the benchmarks. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys haven't already, check out the other contestants in this video and be on the lookout for the winners as well. This was a lot of fun to do. I want to thank the guys for being included, and I want to thank NVIDIA again for sending that RTX 2060, and I want to thank you guys personally for watching this video. So if you haven't already, check out the other videos, check out my videos if you want to, consider subscribing, and to the other guys, and make sure you check out everyone's. You know, there's a lot of creativity going around. You got to make sure you get all that creativity. All right, thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.